To get started, first, press on the extension. We have many different functions in this extension. We will use extract stores. As you can see, we extracted the data in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. And the more we scroll down, the more we will extract. Now, press Add to Export List. Alternatively, you can use the Auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Let's try it out. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press on the extension again. Then, press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to get the menu of this restaurant. So, let's press on it. Then, press on the extension. As you can see, Extract Menu is now available. Let's press on it. Now, press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted.